Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for you presents Chicken Kandi. Take 300 grams boneless chicken, add 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. Add salt to taste. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Half teaspoon turmeric powder. 1/4 teaspoon Chaat Masala. 1 tablespoon Tandoori or Tikka Masala. 1 teaspoon Coriander Cumin powder. 1 tablespoon Red Chilli Powder. Add some lemon juice. Combine well. Marinate for an hour. Soak wooden skewer in water to avoid burning. Take soaked wooden skewer. Thread the skewers through the marinated chicken pieces. Prick 4 pieces in each stick. Repeat the same procedure for all. Heat up the oil for frying. Take 2 eggs. Add pinch of salt. Beat well. Remove breadcrumbs. Coat the tikka first with breadcrumbs. If you want crispy from outside, then do the opposite. First dip in the egg, then coat with breadcrumbs. Now dip it in the beaten egg. Drain the excess egg. Fry on medium flame until golden brown. Flip and cook from another side. Remove it. Do try and enjoy. Every single piece of Kandi chicken is cooked beautifully. Must try this super delicious, quick and easy chicken Kandi recipe and share your valuable feedback in the comments section below. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.